Is it time to buy or sell MicroAlgo stock? In this video, we will explore MicroAlgo in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 25th of March, 2025, and now we are here to offer you an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched artificial intelligence stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 25th of March, 2025, our system has identified MicroAlgo as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 1.1. Now, let's examine the stock's performance throughout this time frame. We will continue to monitor this assessment to see how it develops in the upcoming days. The stock is positioned in the upper segment of a very broad and robust upward trend in the short term. This situation often presents an excellent selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction toward the lower part of the trend is anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line, currently at $14.05, would signify a stronger upward movement. Analyzing the current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 35.96% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from negative 70.38% to positive 60.15%. When we consider the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of negative 27.85%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 100% to 1,512.97% over the next year. In current terms, this would imply a future price range between $0 and $192.43. Our latest daily update for MicroAlgo includes the headline, High Volatility in MicroAlgo Inc. stock price on Tuesday, which ended trading at $11.93. The MicroAlgo Inc. stock price fell by 14.72% on the last trading day, Tuesday, the 25th of March, 2025, from $13.99 to $11.93. During that day, the stock fluctuated 118.78%, with a low of $9 and a high of $19.69. Although the price has declined in 7 of the last 10 days, it remains up by 198.25% over the past 2 weeks. Interestingly, volume decreased alongside the stock, which is a positive sign as volume typically follows stock movement. On that day, trading volume fell by 224 million shares, with a total of 77 million shares bought and sold for approximately $923,005,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $509.60, while the lowest was $1.11. Currently, the price stands at 97.66%, or $497.67, below the 52-week high, and 99.92%, or $14,288.07, below the all-time high reached on the 13th of December, 2022, when the price hit $14,300. MicroAlgo Incorporated has recently announced plans to issue additional shares at an offering price of 80 cents each. This move likely responds to their October 2024 convertible bond agreement valued at $20 million, signaling potential cash flow needs for operational pursuits or debt management. However, issuing new shares can also dilute existing shareholders' equity, which may lead to a short-term decline in stock price as investor sentiment shifts negatively. Today, MLGO is also experiencing downward movement, influenced by the volatility of the broader market. Market reactions to such announcements can create short-term pressure on stock prices, especially for companies like MicroAlgo within the fast-evolving technology sector. On a more positive note, recent advancements in quantum computing technology, such as MicroAlgo's innovative algorithms aimed at enhancing quantum performance, could strengthen long-term prospects. By improving stability and efficiency in algorithms, the company positions itself favorably within a competitive landscape. Successful execution of these technologies may drive investor confidence, potentially leading to price appreciation over time. Analysts have assigned MicroAlgo stock a general strong sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have also rated the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified from MicroAlgo. The MicroAlgo Inc. stock currently presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal based on the relationship between these two averages, where the short-term average stands above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support can be expected at $6.11 and $3.66. A drop below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. Furthermore, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may affect near-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Monday, March 24, 2025, and thus far, the stock has declined by 14.72%. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which mitigates overall risk, as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 210 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 4 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal 24 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 4 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal 11 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to explore more signals. Let's discuss support, risk, and stop loss for MicroAlgo. Currently, there is no support from accumulated volume below today's level. If conditions align unfavorably, the stock may perform poorly in the coming days. The stock exhibits significant intraday movement characterized by high volatility. With a substantial prediction interval indicated by the Bollinger Band, this stock is assessed as very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $10.69 between its high and low points, which is a change of 118.78%. In the past week, the stock has demonstrated an average daily volatility of 99.10%. Before we dive into the potential good trading levels for MicroAlgo, let us quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can go through difficult periods, often due to factors beyond their control. However, persistent negative PE ratios may suggest insufficient profit and could pose risks of bankruptcy. In other news, the next earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 10th of April, 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for MicroAlgo. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for MicroAlgo is at $13.99. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. There is no significant support from accumulated volume below, which means the stock could potentially decline sharply under certain conditions. Proceed with caution and consider placing trades only if you are an experienced trader who understands how to navigate such situations. The combined average rating for MicroAlgo from multiple analyst sources is classified as a strong sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock is older than 3 months. The latest trade occurred on the 30th of September, 2024, when SBI Securities Company Limited executed an insider buy of 0 shares. Our recommended stop loss is set at $11.26, reflecting a decline of 5.58%. This stock exhibits very high daily fluctuations, which introduces significant risk. Additionally, a sell signal has emerged from a pivot top identified just 1 day ago. Is MicroAlgo stock a good buy? Several short-term signals, along with a generally positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity. there is a strong likelihood for MicroAlgo Inc. stock to perform well in the near term. As a result, we have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock from a hold or accumulate to a buy candidate. Following our analysis of the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 26th of March, we anticipate that MicroAlgo will open higher by $1.61, starting at a price of $13.54. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. Here is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.